Oh, wonderful aunties, our hearts overflowing with love for you. We present this poem just for you.
Such love and care you sent our way. Such heartwarming gestures in our time away. Not seen but together we were in your class.
Not touching but feeling your loving presence. Not caressing but comforting were your beloved words. Not close but also close, you made us feel.
An unforeseen difficult year of quarantine it was, with so many difficulties that can't be known. You taught us so bravely.
Oh lovely aunties, with your dedication we have learned so much, and now we have grown with bright magnificent colors as beautiful Dhondhoonis. We fly from your nest